Happy Somerset Day. Here at Haynes Motor Museum, we're celebrating the county's favourite day by going back in time, when we took this Austin A40 out on the streets of Somerset.
We are inside the car. It's a beautiful 1950-1954 styled vehicle. The Austin Somerset was known a little bit as the poor man's family saloon, but it's still beautifully detailed inside. We've got lovely large marbled plastic, probably Bakelite type steering wheel, and this is where our trafficators come from, so our left and right, and they stick out the sides rather than lights. It's column shift, unlike what you're more used to, so you have to pull out and go back and down for reverse, and we've got 4 gears pushing back and pushing forward to keep going, and it ticks over very beautifully. It's a really beautiful car to drive. Very simple on the detailing, fantastic when we're driving along, because the speedometer likes to shake and wave, so you sort of know how fast you're going, but you can just style it out because you're cruising along around Somerset levels.
This car is still part of the museum collection, and it's here in Memory Lane for you to come and see in person. Oh, and make sure you fly the flag for Somerset Day.